Hey there, and welcome. So, if you've ever felt like you're trying to argue with an AI just to get a simple answer, trust me, you are not alone. But here's the secret: the magic isn't in the AI, it's all in how you ask. Today, we're going to crack the code on writing prompts so you can turn those confusing, messy outputs into brilliant, useful results. Let's dive in.
Right? Have you ever asked an AI for something, something you think is super simple, and what you get back is just completely useless, or it's vague, or just flat out wrong? It's so frustrating. But what if I told you the problem isn't really the AI? It's the way we're talking to it. And that's exactly what we're going to fix right now.
Okay, so first things first, before we can even think about writing amazing prompts, we've got to get back to basics. We need to understand the foundation of it all. So let's break it down. What is a prompt really? To put it simply, a prompt is your command. It's the instruction, the question, it's the task you're giving to the AI. A good way to think about it is you're the director and the AI is your actor. Your prompt is the script you hand them. And of course, the clearer that script is, the better the performance is going to be. And this, right here, this is the core idea. It's a simple equation, but it is everything. The quality of what you get out is 100% tied to the quality of what you put in. A vague prompt is always going to give you a vague output. You know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out? Well, that is the golden rule of working with AI. Let's look at a real-world example here, because this makes it super clear. On the left, a prompt like write something about AI. I mean, where does the AI even begin? It's a total recipe for disaster. But now look at the one on the right. Write a 200-word article on how AI is transforming healthcare with examples. See the difference. It gives the AI a clear mission. It knows the topic, the word count, the format, and even that it needs to include examples. That level of detail is everything. All right, so we get the what and the why. Now it's time for the fun part, the how. I'm going to walk you through a core method that I promise you works every single time. And the best part, it all boils down to just 3 simple rules. Yep, that's it. Just 3 things to remember. You master these, and I guarantee you will see a huge, immediate improvement in the answers you get. And here they are. Rule number 1, be specific. Don't leave any room for guessing. Tell the AI exactly what you need. Rule 2, provide context. The AI doesn't have a clue about your project or who you're writing for unless you tell it. And finally, rule number 3, define the output format. Do you want bullet points, a paragraph, a Shakespearean sonnet? You have to tell it. Specificity, context, and format. That's the winning combo. Let's see how this actually works. Look at that first prompt. Write a 5-bullet summary of the latest AI trends in finance. See, it's specific, AI trends in finance, it has context, it's a summary, and it has a defined format, 5 bullets. Perfect. Or for all you coders out there, generate a Python code snippet that reads a CSV file and plots a graph. Again, crystal clear and totally actionable. This is how you get results you can actually use without pulling your hair out. Okay, you've got the basics down. You're already getting way better results. But now, let's kick things up a notch. We're going to go from good to pro level with a few advanced techniques that will make your prompts even more powerful. So we're going to look at 3 pro moves. First, using role play to basically give the AI a personality. Second, giving step-by-step instructions to walk it through really complex tasks. And third, providing examples to show it exactly what a good answer looks like. These tips will take your results from good to, honestly, game-changing. First up is role-playing, and this one is a total game changer. Just by starting your prompt with a phrase like act as a, you completely frame the AI's entire response. Think about it. Act as a professional teacher, or act as a senior software developer, or act as an expert travel guide. You're telling the AI what persona to take on, and that instantly shapes the tone, the style, and even the depth of its answer. It's awesome. Next up, for those really big, complex tasks, you don't want to just throw the whole thing at the AI and hope for the best. You need to guide it. So for instance, instead of just saying, write a blog post, try this. Write a blog post on renewable energy, step by step, with an introduction, 3 main points, and a conclusion. You see, you're not just asking for an article, you're handing the AI a blueprint, and that ensures you get a much more structured and coherent final product. So we've talked a lot about what to do. But, sometimes the fastest way to get better is by understanding what not to do. So let's quickly run through the most common mistakes that lead to those frustrating, totally unhelpful AI responses. These three are the absolute prompt killers. First, being vague. We've talked about this. It's the number one enemy of a good result. Second, asking way too much at once. Don't cram 3 or 4 different questions into a single prompt. Stick to one goal per prompt. And third, assuming the AI can read your mind. It can't. If your request needs some background information to make sense, you have to provide it.
Okay, so after all of that, the rules, the pro tips, the mistakes to avoid, it really all boils down to one single perfect formula. This is it. This is the big takeaway from our entire explainer.
And here it is, the simple formula for success. Being clear, plus being specific, plus providing context. That equals a perfect prompt. If you remember absolutely nothing else, remember this equation. This is the secret sauce. It will set you up for success every single time. And that's it. You've got the rules, the advanced techniques, and the golden formula. You now have everything you need to write professional-level prompts and get fantastic results from any AI tool you use, including tools like Notebook LLM. You are officially in the driver's seat. So now, the ball is in your court. Armed with everything you just learned, I want you to go out there and create something amazing. And when you do, I want to hear about it. What's the best, the most creative, or just the most useful AI prompt you can come up with now? I'd really love to see what you create.